Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi guys, welcome to Makeup 101, a series by Femina. Here we show you easy to do makeup tutorials and celebrity looks.
After applying primer, set face with a powder foundation and blend evenly. Groom brows and fill them in with precision. Highlight your brow bone with a soft gold shade. Apply a light green shimmery shade to the outer corner of your lids. Apply a matte apricot shade to the inner corner of your lids and top it off with a shimmery shade in a similar color. Wing it. Do the inner corner of your eyes with a light gold shade. Apply heaps of mascara. Dab a cream-based peach blush to the apples of your cheek and blend it. Highlight, highlight and highlight. Color your pout with a nude lipstick. Top it off with a glossy nude lipstick in a similar shade.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to Femina. If you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay unstoppable.